Kim again with Press One Cash. Just want to give you guys an update. I woke up this morning and look at all these calls that have come in. I got an ad running on Craigslist. Once you get started, I'll show you exactly what ad I'm using. But this was before I even got up. All these people coming in. So of course, all these people who press one now have my website. I did put a new funnel in place. I'm going to show you my new funnel. And like I said, if you come on board, I'll show you how to set all this up. All right, this is my funnel right here. All right, so basically 1 to 2,000 per week using your smartphone, instant daily pay. And once they opt in, they automatically get a free Vegas trip voucher emailed to them. So this is why my page is now converting at a much higher rate than just a regular standard page, because I'm giving an offer up front. And like I said, I'll show you how to set it up. This is a ClickFunnels account, but you can also use different type of accounts they have for the vacation getaways. That's like an ad running in the background. But I just want to show you some results right here. My opt-ins have skyrocketed. This was actually yesterday, the 16th. Look at this. Right? And again, the more exposure you have to your website, the more people you're going to have signing up. Right? I got people looking to get started today. I just got a couple text messages because I did a retargeting blast through my system. Basically, what I did was all the people that press one, I retargeted them. So all the people that press one, I downloaded here from this file. Excuse me, not all the people that press one. I can do that also. But all the people that actually joined but did not pay, I downloaded their numbers and then I shot them out a text message blast through my system. And there's actually another system that you can use that's much cheaper because this one is not available anymore to the general public. But basically what I've been doing, I set up my new this is a high converting funnel, right? You have to give some type of offer in exchange for their information. So I'm offering a Vegas trip, Vegas or Orlando getaway. So that's why they're coming in. They're going to the presentation. The opt-in rates have skyrocketed. Like I said, once you sign up, I'll do a strategy with you and we can set up your system to see what system you want to use to go ahead and start pushing your business forward. But again, just wanted to give you some results here. If you can see the results just from today through the Press One site, that was yesterday. That's the 16th. And you can see how many people have pressed one. This is since the 6th. This is 2 days right here. This is 2 days. Guys, that's a lot. That's a lot of leads. Again, everyone who's pressed one, now my website is in their cell phone. And again, this is my new funnel that I'm using, giving away vacation trips and Orlando trips directly. So once they actually opt in, they're going to get an email instantly. And I'll show you. So once they opt in, right, they register. See if it lets me do it now. They hit submit. And then boom, it goes to my Press One Cash site. It takes them right to the site. So guys, they are opting in like crazy. Whether they just want a Vegas trip, doesn't matter. They're opting in to see now the website and see how they can make money and see the presentation. And the video is awesome. Let me just go back here. Let me just play the video because the video comes auto plays as soon as they actually go to the system. This is the video that they're going to see. Pretty exciting video. They opt in, boom, they go to my Press One Cash site. So once you come aboard, we'll do a strategy. Go ahead and get you going, see how you want to proceed. But this, as you can see, this is converting very well. My ad on Craigslist is converting well. I took bits and pieces from someone else's ad and just made it really kind of my own, made it really general, and it's working. It is working. So guys, if you want to get started, get with me today so I can go and get you plugged into the system, show you how to get everything set up, show you how I'm also using like a free text number to communicate with people back and forth. Really simple, guys. Again, really simple. I can show you exactly how I'm using the strategy. See right here, you can see my email. This is what they get as soon as they opt into my site, your Las Vegas vacation from Kimberly Inc. That's my little company name. And they just go to click to activate it. So you see how quickly they got that? right? They got a free trip just for opting in to my website. So that's why my opt-ins have skyrocketed. More people now are looking at the site, which is going to mean what? It's going to mean more money, right? More money that I'm going to be making because I'm getting more opt-ins, guys. And I'll show you how to set that up. So get with me, shoot me a text, let me know that you're ready to go, so we can start getting your money making system set up through Press One Cash. All right, guys. Again, I'll leave with my high converting funnel. I'm very excited about it because I can see the difference already. Actually, let me show you. The proof is in the pudding, right? Let me go back here. That's the 16th. I didn't have it then. I had it actually then. Just set it up. And now look at the 15th. Look at this. Right? You can see the difference. Look at the 15th and then look at the 16th through the 17th. Completely different, right? Way more leads, guys. So I'll help you get started. Get with me, shoot me a text, let me know you're ready, you're in. We'll set up a strategy to go and get you going. And I'll see you, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.